Chapter 2: Hardware and Software. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, students will be able to define hardware and its components, identify input and output devices, understand the processing device, identify storage devices, define software and its types, differentiate system software and application software. Get ready.
Welcome, Tiny Techie. I want to check your knowledge about the parts of a computer. Are you ready?
Yes, Inbo, I know the parts of a computer.
Great. Now identify and write the names of the following devices.
A computer system is made up of hardware and software. Let us learn about them in detail. What is hardware? The physical parts of the computer that you can touch or feel are called hardware. The hardware components that make a computer system are as follows. Input devices. The devices through which we enter the data and instructions into a computer are called input devices. The keyboard and mouse are the most commonly used input devices. There are some other input devices as given below. Scanner. A scanner copies text and images from a sheet of paper onto the computer. Microphone. A microphone is used to input sound into a computer. It helps in recording your voice or other sounds. Joystick. A joystick is used for playing games. It helps move the items on the screen. Voice input device. Smart voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google allow users to input voice commands directly into a system, allowing them to listen and follow instructions. Digital pen. It is like a pen that is used to point or draw on the screen. Infobyte. Digital pen is specially used by commentators of cricket matches to mark on screen what they want to show. Web camera. A web camera or webcam is a camera attached to a computer. It is used for capturing still images and live videos. Most of the laptops have built-in webcams. Output devices. The devices through which we get the output from a computer are called output devices. Monitor. A monitor is the most commonly used output device. It is known as a VDU, Visual Display Unit. It is similar to a TV screen and can display both text and pictures. Printer. A printer is a machine that copies what you see on a computer screen onto a sheet of paper. The printed information on the sheet of paper is called a printout or hard copy. Speakers. Speakers are used to play music and sounds. Headphones. Headphones are used to listen to sound or music from a computer without disturbing others. Headphones with an attached microphone are called headsets. Infobyte. A touchscreen is a combination of an input and output device. Touchscreens come with various devices such as laptops, smartphones, and so on. MindHub. Conduct a group discussion in class on the topic Importance of Input and Output Devices. Form different groups, share your ideas and provide related examples from daily life. Processing devices. The CPU is the processing device of a computer. It is a hardware unit that processes data according to the instructions to provide results. The CPU is a chip that is placed inside the CPU cabinet. A CPU consists of three main parts. These are Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU, performs all arithmetic operations including addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also performs logical operations. Control Unit, CU, ensures the accuracy of computer operations and manages all the components of the computer. Memory Unit, MU, passes necessary data and instructions to the ALU or CU. It also stores information given by the user. Storage devices. Storage devices are used for storing data so that you can use it in the future. Some of the different storage devices are hard disk. A hard disk stores a huge amount of data and information. It is present inside the system cabinet. It is the built-in storage device of a computer. CD and DVD. CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital versatile disc. They are used for storing data such as songs, games, movies, video clips, etc. They have limited storage compared to a hard disk or a pen drive. Infobyte. CD, DVD and pen drive are also known as external storage devices. Pen drive. A pen drive is small in size but can store and transfer data from one computer to another. It can be handled easily. What is software? Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a specific task. It is necessary to make the computer hardware work. Unlike hardware, you cannot touch software. The games you play, the music that you listen to, and similar activities are examples of software. Softwares can be classified into two categories. System software. System software is a collection of programs that controls the overall operation and working of a computer system. The operating system OS is an example of system software. It manages all the activities of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. Application software. Application software is a set of programs used to perform specific tasks. They can be installed on a computer based on the user's requirements. There are different types of application software that help in doing specific types of jobs. Some of the examples of application software are word processing software, used to create text-based documents like letters, stories, essays. Examples: MS Word, OpenOffice.org Writer. Spreadsheet software, used to perform calculations and analyze data in a desired manner. Examples: MS Excel, OpenOffice.org Calc. Presentation software, used to create and display slides on a computer for educational and business purposes. Examples: MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org Impress. Graphic software, used to create and edit images. Examples: Krita, Paint 3D, etc. DTP software. DTP stands for Desktop Publishing. This type of software is used for creating designs and layouts of books, newspapers, brochures, magazines, etc. Examples: CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign. Multimedia software, used to combine images, text, sound, animations, and videos to create an interactive application. For example, Adobe Flash, Windows Media Player. Recap. The physical parts of a computer that you can touch or feel are called hardware. The devices through which we enter data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. The devices through which we get the output from a computer are called output devices. CPU is the processing device of a computer system. The CPU works on data according to the instructions to give the result. Storage devices are used for storing data so that you can use it in the future. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a specific task. System software is a collection of programs that controls the overall operation and working of the computer system. Application software is a set of programs used to perform specific tasks.